Okay, this is going to be the first run of my Continental Forklift engine. So right now I've just bypassed the hydraulics and put in the fluids, change the fluids, and anyways, installed a fuel tank here and overhauled the carburetor and well, put kind of a custom exhaust on. And this is going to be the first run, hopefully. So let's get at her here. There she goes. Okay, just get dick around with the carburetor a little bit, paint her all up, put some gauges on, and hook up the log splitter, which I'll run on the hydraulics, and she's going to be a good engine. Okay, later guys.